we have our kitchen, which is under construction, and soon when we get funds we'll be able to complete a very nice and a decent kitchen. Up here we have the orphanage, as you see. Come with me as I show you the inside of the orphanage. This is the boys' room. We have a total of around 15 children in this room, and they sleep 2 in each of the beds because they're still small, and also because we have limited beds. So that's why we have 2 in each of the beds. As you see there up, we have Hamza